Trade!
Can we make it?
We'll have to cut him off at Coyote Pass.
Hey, mister! Mr. Eastwood! Here's your gun, mister!
Thanks, kid. Seamus. It's worth $12, never been used. Maybe I'll trade it for a new hat. Ride and take care of that baby! I will!